Welcome to BFSI classes. Domain Mutual Fund Agent, Chapter Products Similar to Mutual Funds. After completing this module, you will be able to list the products similar to mutual funds and fund schemes offered by other organizations, and describe in detail the products similar to mutual funds and fund schemes offered by other organizations. So far, we discussed about mutual funds in India in previous chapters. In this chapter, we are going to discuss other products offered by various agencies which are almost similar to the mutual funds. There are various products exhibit the similarity to the mutual funds, but here we discuss only about 3 products. They are Unit Linked Insurance Plan, National Pension System, and Portfolio Management Services. The first product is an insurance product by life insurance company, that is Unit Linked Insurance Policy. Unit linked insurance schemes are managed by the same concepts of mutual fund. There are also different fund options to invest insurance premium. Almost all insurance companies in India issue ULIP products to their policyholders. IRDA is the regulator for insurance industries, and Unit Linked Insurance Plan is a mix of insurance along with investment. ULIP provide life cover plus savings plus tax benefits. Now, let us look into the main features of ULIP. The first one is life cover. First and foremost, with ULIPs, you get a life cover coupled with investment. It offers security that a taxpayer's family can fall back on in case of emergencies like the untimely death of the taxpayer, etc. Second one, income tax benefits. Not many are aware that the premium paid towards a ULIP is eligible for a tax deduction under Section 80C. Additionally, the returns out of the policy on maturity are exempt from income tax under Section 10D of the Income Tax Act. This is a dual benefit that you can claim with this policy. Third one, finance long-term goals. If you have finance long-term goals like buying a house, a new car, marriage, etc., then ULIP is a good investment option because the money gets compounded. As a result of compounding, the net returns are generically more. This stands true even if you want to exit after the 5 years lock-in period in comparison to not having invested the amount at all and retaining it in a savings amount or in the form of an FD, that is fixed deposit. But under ULIP, the mantra is to always keep the policy going for a longer time horizon to reap the best out of it. Fourth one, flexibility of portfolio switch. As already mentioned, ULIPs are usually designed in a way that they allow you to switch your portfolio between debt and equity based on your risk appetite as well as your knowledge of how the market is performing. Insurance companies, on the other hand, allow a very few numbers of switches free of cost. Second product is National Pension System. The National Pension System is a social security initiative by the central government. This pension program is open to employees from the public, private, and even the unorganized sectors except those from the armed forces. The scheme encourages people to invest in a pension account at regular intervals during the course of their employment, and after the retirement, the subscribers can take out a certain percentage of the corpus they paid. As an NPS account holder, You will receive the remaining amount as a monthly pension post your retirement. Earlier, the National Pension Scheme was covered only the central government employees, but now, however, the PFRDA has made it open to all Indian citizens on a voluntary basis. NPS scheme holds immense value for anyone who works in the private sector and requires a regular pension after retirement. The scheme is portable across jobs and locations with tax benefits under Section 80C and 80CCD. The important features of National Pension System are high return or interest, tax efficiency, withdrawal after 60, and early withdrawal or exit. Now we have to come to the final product, that is portfolio management services. Many private PMS managers are managing huge amount of investment in PMS. Here, fund manager will take decision to invest and client will give amount to PMS manager and they will invest and manage on client's behalf. For this, they charge fees on amount. They are also investing in mutual fund directly and work like mutual fund concept. These are the three common alternatives to mutual funds or products similar to the mutual funds. We will meet in the another session as more topics. Winding up now. Thank you.